Hey everyone, welcome back to What's New with Kim. I'm so glad you stopped by today. We've got some exciting updates and fun stories to share. From my latest DIY adventures to new health tips and tricks, you won't want to miss a thing. So grab a sweet tea, sit back, and let's get started. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for being part of the family. Let's jump right in. Do you ever feel like your body is working against you? Exhausted but wired? Moody for no reason? Struggling with your weight? These are all signs that something might be off internally. Girl, you might have a hormone imbalance. Hormones are crucial for regulating many of your body's key functions. Hormones are like tiny messengers that control everything from your mood and energy to your sleep and metabolism. They play a vital role in how you feel every day. When they're out of balance, it can feel like your whole world is off kilter. You might experience stress, anxiety, and even trouble sleeping. The good news? You have more power over your hormones than you think. By making some lifestyle changes, you can help bring them back into balance. While many factors can affect your hormone balance, what you eat plays a huge role. Your diet can either support or disrupt your hormonal health. Think of it this way. Food can either be your biggest hormone helper or your biggest hormone hindrance. The choice is yours. So choose wisely and nourish your body with the right foods. So, how exactly does food affect your hormones? Well, certain foods provide the building blocks for healthy hormone production. They also impact how your body processes and eliminates hormones. Eating a balanced diet full of hormone-loving foods can help regulate your menstrual cycle, boost your mood, increase your energy, and even help you sleep better. On the flip side, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can throw your hormones out of whack. These foods can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, and other issues that disrupt your delicate hormonal balance. Now let's get down to the good stuff, the food. Southern cuisine is not just about comfort, it's about nourishment and balance. The beauty of Southern cuisine is that it's already packed with hormone-balancing ingredients. These dishes are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your overall health. We're talking about fresh, whole foods that nourish your body and balance your hormones naturally. From the farm to your table, these ingredients are as wholesome as they come. Collard greens. These leafy greens are packed with fiber, which helps your body eliminate excess estrogen. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that support your liver and digestive health. Try them sautéed with garlic and a splash of apple cider vinegar. This simple preparation not only enhances their flavor, but also maximizes their health benefits. Black-eyed peas. These southern staples are a great source of plant-based protein and zinc, which is essential for hormone production. They're also rich in fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you full longer. Whip up a pot of Hoppin' John for a delicious and hormone-balancing meal. This traditional dish combines black-eyed peas with rice, making it a hearty and satisfying option. Sweet potatoes. These orange beauties are rich in fiber and beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A crucial nutrient for hormone balance. They also provide a natural sweetness that can curb sugar cravings. Enjoy them roasted, mashed, or as a topping for your salad. Their versatility makes them a perfect addition to any meal. Up next, pecans. These nuts are full of healthy fats, which are essential for hormone production. They also contain antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. Grab a handful for a snack or sprinkle them on your yogurt. Pecans add a delightful crunch and a boost of nutrition to your diet. A day on your plate, hormone-happy style. Ready to put it all into practice? Let's dive into a day filled with hormone-balancing meals that will keep you energized and feeling your best. Here's an example of what a hormone-balancing day of eating might look like, from breakfast to dinner and even snacks in between. Breakfast. Start your day with a hormone-happy breakfast like scrambled eggs with spinach and a side of berries. This combination provides protein, fiber, and antioxidants to kickstart your metabolism. Lunch. Enjoy a salad with grilled chicken or fish, plenty of colorful veggies, and a drizzle of olive oil and vinegar. This meal is packed with lean protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Dinner. Dig into a comforting bowl of lentil soup with a side of roasted sweet potatoes and collard greens. This hearty meal is rich in fiber, complex carbs, and plant-based protein. Snacks. Reach for hormone-balancing snacks like a handful of pecans, a piece of fruit, or some carrot sticks with hummus. These snacks provide a good mix of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Finding your balance. When your hormones are out of balance, it can feel like you're fighting a losing battle. But remember, you have the power to take control of your health. By making simple changes to your diet and incorporating hormone-loving foods, you can support your body's natural ability to find balance. It's not about deprivation or strict rules. It's about nourishing your body with the foods it needs to thrive. So, embrace the power of food and start your journey to hormone harmony today. Your body will thank you for it.